Hello guys, so today we are gonna be reviewing the Aeropex wireless bone conduction headphones. So this is our Aeropex here, and this was Aftershokz. This is the company that they have, and it has the package also includes the 2-year warranty. And let's open it up, guys. So this is the headphone. It actually goes through below your ears, and it's a Bluetooth, it's a wireless, and it's comfortable, guys, because it doesn't really go inside your ears, doesn't hurt it. The range of the prices, I will just put the screen below for you guys to see. And it comes with this bag here for your package, so that it's like a little bit that will protect it. It's a magnetic thing, and you just put it inside here. Let me see. It's not actually like a box that will protect it. If you put it here and then put it somewhere, it's gonna be squeezed, which is, I think, not a good idea. But this is what they give us, you know. This is what it comes with the package here. So you just put it inside. It comes with this one, what they call this, earplugs, and the 2-year warranty. And it actually comes with 2 piece of charger. I already took the other one. This one is a magnetic, which I will show you. And that's what it all, guys. I will show you how to attach it on attaching it in a Bluetooth. I mean connecting it with the Bluetooth. So I am gonna show you how this one works, guys. So we have here the charger plug. This one is a magnetic, so it has 2 charger, and I think you can actually find it online when you are looking for it. You're gonna probably have hard time looking it in the store if this is specific, because this kind of charging is kind of new. I don't see it that much, the magnetic one. So below it is like the plus, minus volume and the power button. So when you click this power button here, we'll see a red. So that one is blue, so that means it's on. That one is red. So if it's you're charging this one, guys, you should see a continuous red here, and then when it's full, you will see a blue light. And if you are trying to connect on your Bluetooth, so I have here the example of my tablet. So this one is already paired, but I'll just turn on the Bluetooth right now, and I'll try to connect it. So this is the Bluetooth. So this is the name of the product, the Aeropex by Aftershokz. So it's already paired anyways. When you're trying to connect this, let me see. I'm gonna cancel this so that I can actually, let me see the settings. Okay, so right now I unpaired the Aeropex so that I can actually do it here in the camera. So we're gonna do the Bluetooth now, the pairing. So let's see. So I'll just go to my settings here and go to Bluetooth, and we'll see. So if you click this one long enough, just look at here, it should be flashing blue and red. So I'll just click the power button here. Now, as you can see, it's having the blue and red flashing light, and this is a signal that it's ready to pair. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And I'm gonna scan for the Bluetooth. So as you can see here, it will register the Aeropex by Aftershokz. I'll just click on it and it should be paired. And now you actually feel this buzzing, like a vibrating, when it's connected to the device already. So I'll just have music played here. And you can actually have it here already. It doesn't sound that really loud from outside, but if you actually, like, you know, put it on your behind your ears, you can really hear it, and which is great because that means you're not gonna bother anybody for having it, you know, having your loud music around you, because actually other people doesn't like what you're listening. So this is really comfortable. I will show you guys how it is on me. So this is how it is, guys. This is just a little piece of wire which is gonna be comfortable, because if you have the head, a big earphone that goes here, it actually is very visible, and this one is, you can barely see it. It's really tiny piece of material. So I'll just put it behind my head. So I actually can do this, but then I was gonna hide it, you know, so that it's not so visible. I can actually hide it behind my ears. So I'll just put this by my ears. As you can see, it's just right here, and it's not gonna go inside your ears because it's gonna be so uncomfortable. I actually have a headphone that goes inside my ear, and it's kind of, you know, you can feel it as it is there for a very long time. So this one is like having your own radio that you only can hear, and when you're not using it, you can actually just put it behind your neck. And based on the advertisement, you can actually do this by running, but you have to have a phone with you. So I have the manual here. This is actually a very simple device. It only has 6 pages of the instruction here. So I just want to show you that. So it actually have also an instruction, you know, if you put this on your ears, sometimes you have a moisture from sweat, or, you know, you're outside raining, and if you try to charge it here, make sure it's all dry. It will actually, the indicator on that is, if you try to charge it and it's having this beeping sound, and it's having light in blue flashing red, make sure to take it out, try it off first, and then charge it back when you're done. And I'm trying to locate here the Bluetooth compatibility, because it actually having a difficulty connecting on my Amazon tablet. So its wireless range is 10 meter. The compatibility profiles are E2DP, EV. I don't know if you guys can see it there. So those are the compatibility it has, and it can actually play for up to 8 hours. The charging time is 2 hours. So I'm gonna show you the range of the prices of the Aeropex Aftershock on online. So we're gonna try to check it on Amazon first. So we'll see. Let's see. Aeropex Aftershock. Okay, so this is the variety of prices here. It's $159. It's actually that price here. It's kind of the same, all of it. So it's $160 if we round it off for that piece of device. Let's see if we can find it on Blu-ray. What do you call that? Best Buy. If you go to Best Buy, I would think they're the same price. There's actually Aeropex Aftershock. Okay, yes, it's the same price all over. Well, there is 109 here for headphones, but having to check here, there's 112. So it's actually $100 to $160 range. I think the other ones here are used. But this is how the range is. So it's $100 to $160. Here on eBay you have a variety of prices. On Amazon you have only $160. But here you'll have a different prices available. Alright guys, so I think I got it all here. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you later.